Hi guys, we're going to quickly cover the Comm radios in Iris PC9. Comm radios are these two here. This one is Comm Radio 1 and this one is Comm Radio 2. It also, part of the Comm radio system is also the radio head just here. The dial on 1, you're transmitting on Comm Radio 1. The dial on 2, you're transmitting on Comm Radio 2. 3, 4, and 5 actually don't function. The 3 and 4 are actually a backup for if you put a third and fourth radio into the aircraft, and IC would be the intercom, which of course we don't model. The VU will allow to hear COM1 if you're not on COM1. VHF will allow you to hear VHF on Comm Radio 2 if you were not on Comm Radio 2. To program Comm Radio 1, simply press the CL button here and type in the frequency you're after. You'll enter if it's a functional frequency, otherwise it will flash at you, refuse to enter and return to the previous entry. When the preset mode is in, pressing the pre button and then typing in the 3-digit code will bring up that preset. At the moment, preset mode is not functioning. In the Comm Radio 2, you have two modes that this radio can enter, normal and preset, as well as active entry mode on the normal mode. As it's displayed here, we are in normal mode. In normal mode, rotating the outside button, dial, using the mouse wheel up and mouse wheel down, will scroll the large number. Using the mouse wheel on the inner wheel will scroll through the small number or the decimal number. Clicking on it is the equivalent of pulling it out. It will allow you to move it by 0.25 of a megahertz. Pressing the transfer swap button will swap it from the standby into the active. If you press and hold the transfer button for more than 10 seconds, it will switch this into active entry mode. In this mode, rotating the switch and dial will put it into the active frequency rather than the standby. If you press the little mode switch here, which is this red little switch, the radio will enter preset mode. In preset mode, you have 9 channels or 9 presets. These can be programmed in the ACM, or if you wish to program them afterwards, you can do so by pressing and holding down on the button. It will enter this mode. CH will be flashing, allowing you to change the channel that you wish to enter. At which point you may hit the transfer button, it will change and the lower number will flash. And then enter the frequency that you wish to have preset. In this case we will set 12200 and then hit the transfer button again. The CH1 or 2 will flash now, signifying that the number has been stored. If we go to channel 2 and then back to channel 1, you will see the value has stored. And that is the function of the basic functions of COM1 and COM2. To exit this mode, either don't do anything for 20 seconds or press the little red button again. To enter out of the active entry mode at any time, simply press the transfer switch once. Thanks.